How to delete payment method on Lyft. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Lyft app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of payment. With that, you will land to the payments page. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Under payment methods, you will be able to find your payment details. Now go ahead and click on the payment that you want to delete. Once you open it, you will find the option of edit or delete. Go ahead and click on the option of delete. Now you will get the pop-up confirm deletion. Click on confirm. With that, your payment method will be deleted. Well, this is how you can easily delete your payment method on Lyft. In the case you want to add another payment method, you can click on this option, add payment method. Select the option and go through the process. Well, that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.